I'm in the process of creating my oversized blank for my front leg. We will be having multiple pieces glued together, each piece measuring a width of 1 3/4 inches. Based on my lumber layout, I should be able to get 2 work pieces out of each section of lumber that I cut off of my original board. Currently, each edge has a milled edge from the lumberyard and a rough edge from the lumberyard. I need to use the joiner to clean up the milled edge, which is the better of the 2 edges, 1 or 2 times to make this edge true. We can then set the table saw to 1 3/4 inches, and with our good, clean, jointed edge up against the fence, we can cut our 1 3/4 inch wide pieces. Now, although we are creating a milled edge by having this piece touch the table saw blade, at this point it does not matter because we will be gluing these pieces together and cleaning them up after that process. And when finished, I have 8 pieces measuring a width of 1 3/4 inches by 24 inches in length. I am not concerned that I have milled edges on most of these pieces, as again, I will be gluing them together at a later process and cleaning that up.